Let's say you had a group of files that you need to extract data from. The first thing you'll want to do is upload them into a collection. A collection is like a folder that holds a group of similar files together. It becomes customized to accurately pull out the data you need from those files. As you point out data you want to extract, Impira learns and will become more accurate over time. And once you've set up a collection, whenever you upload new similar files, Impira automatically gets to work extracting the data you need from them, eliminating your need for manual data entry. Files in the same collection should all contain the fields you're trying to extract. They should also have similar page layouts, meaning fields are laid out consistently in the same areas on a page. For example, in this group of files, we can extract invoice number found in the upper left corner, total amount due right below that, and a checkbox indicating paid status, which is sitting just to the right of total amount due. Impira will learn to look in these areas for this data in other files in this collection. You can create as many collections as you need, and each collection will be uniquely trained on the documents within them. To further illustrate this, here's another group of files that belong in their own collection. The purpose of this new collection is to learn the page layout of these files in order to locate and extract the data you want from them. So, each of these two groups of files have the same layout as the other ones in their own group, as well as contain the same set of fields you want to extract from them, also known as schema, so they belong together in their own respective collections. As a recap, every collection's purpose is to extract a certain set of fields you want from a group of similar files. And each time you confirm or correct predictions, these collections will keep learning and will create better predictions whenever you upload more new files in the future. Any file uploaded to your Impira organization, also known as your account, will be stored in a general repository folder called All Files. In All Files, you can locate files via search bar or by filters, as well as see which collections they belong to. You can upload files directly to All Files and add them to a collection straight from there. Just note that a file must be placed in a collection before you can start extracting data. A standard collection is also known as a manual collection because users manually pick and choose which files are uploaded to them. Impira also has smart collections. Users can define filters to automatically route incoming files to a collection that has already been trained by a user to extract data. Check out the description to learn more about smart collections. There are several ways to create collections. One way is to create a collection from all files. Add individual files to a collection by clicking Add to Collection found beside the file name, or select multiple files and use the Add Files to a Collection button at the top of your file list. You then have the option to create a new collection or add these files to an existing one. You can also create a new collection by going to the sidebar and selecting the plus button next to Collections. Name your collection and create. You can then drag files into this collection from your computer or explore the Upload drop-down menu for other methods of getting files in. Another way is to create a new collection as you upload new files from your computer. Go to the top right corner of your window, select the Upload drop-down menu and choose From Computer. Locate your files, select them, and choose Open. Once you do that, a window will appear. Go to the drop-down menu to either add them to an existing collection or create a brand new one. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and add those files to your chosen collection. Let's say you're in a scenario where you have a collection of purchase orders where you've extracted customer data. However, you also want to extract inventory data from these purchase orders as well, but you need this data to be separate from customer data. You'll want to create a new collection. To do this, go to your first collection, select the files you want to add to your new one, and choose Add Files to another collection. Use the drop-down menu to either create a new collection or select an existing one, then hit Add Selected Files to Collection. Removing files. Go to the collection that contains the files you want to remove and select the checkboxes by their names. Click the Remove Files from Collection button. Though these files won't be in this collection anymore, these files will still be available in All Files. If you want them completely removed from your account, go to All Files and remove them from there. Renaming or deleting a collection. Open a collection and select the drop-down by its name at the top of your window. Click Rename Collection and edit the name. You can also delete a collection from the same drop-down menu. We hope this overview helped you understand collections. Check out the description for links to learn more. Thanks for watching.